Welcome to Mindzita. Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Squarespace domain to GoDaddy hosting. Follow these simple steps to get your website live. First, log into your GoDaddy account, where you purchased your hosting. Once logged in, scroll down to the web hosting section. Here, you'll see the hosting plan you purchased. Then, click on Manage. Inside your hosting dashboard, look for the option to add a primary domain. Enter the domain name you want to connect and click Save or Update. Now, copy the server's IP address. You'll need this to point your domain to the hosting account. Now, log into the Squarespace account where your domain is registered. Navigate to Domains and select the domain you want to connect. Then, click on DNS. Remove default Squarespace DNS records. Now click on Add Records and enter the following. Type A, host at, value points to IP address. Next, add another record. Type A, host admin, value points to IP address. Next, add the mail record. Type A, host mail, value points to IP address. And finally, add the CNAME record. Type CNAME, host www, value points to your domain name. Once you wait 24 hours for the DNS to update, you will see your website properly connected to the domain. Next, log into your hosting account cPanel. And that's it. Your Squarespace domain is now successfully connected to GoDaddy hosting. If you run into any issues connecting your domain to hosting, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.